Guajardo here with Mobile Mailbox Money. We're here today at Orange Tree Golf Course. Wouldn't you like to be afforded the passive wealth to be able to go golfing and travel the world and still get paid? That's Mobile Mailbox Money. Cash flowing in manufactured home notes. Cash flow in a 30-day program at mobilemailboxmoney.com. That's diversifying your portfolio in manufactured home notes and cash flow. High yields, passive return. That's mobilemailboxmoney.com.
Good morning, BNI. Alden GUAJARDO with Win Mobile Homes. We are Arizona's largest manufactured home dealer. That's mobile homes, mobile homes, mobile homes. We got prices from $20,000 to $200,000 with seller carry finance programs, easily accessible, similar criteria to a rental application. If you know someone wanting to exit the rental market, they cannot qualify because of lack of income for residential real estate purchases, have them give me a call. That's at 602-888-CASH. 602